Hello and welcome to How to Play Cranium, presented by GatherTogetherGames.com. This video will cover how to play the game Cranium. The video will start with the general concepts and gameplay, and then get into more of the details for the game. The Cranium game comes with 4 team pieces, 4 paper pads and pencils, a die, a timer, and a tub of clay. There are 4 character card boxes and the Cranium board. The game is set up by placing the character card boxes in the matching corners of the game board and placing a game piece on start for each team in the game. The team with the player whose birthday is coming up next is first to play. The object of the game is to correctly complete activities and make your way around the board and into the Cranium Circle. Once in the Cranium Circle, your team will need to collect 1 of each 4 character cards and complete one last activity decided by the opposing teams. The first team to complete the final activity is the winner. Each turn begins with a team attempting to complete an activity from a character card. The space you are on at the beginning of your turn will determine which character card box you draw a card from. On your first turn, and any time you are on a purple planet Cranium space, your team gets to choose which character card box to draw from. In this game, Team Yellow is going first and chooses a Star Performer character card to be drawn. The team right of Team Yellow will draw the card and read it aloud. Once read, the player will pass the card to the performer chosen on Team Yellow and start the timer. If Team Yellow is successful in answering the card before the timer is out, they will roll the die and move to the color rolled. Team Yellow rolled yellow and moves to the yellow space. On Team Yellow's next turn, the activity card will be drawn from the word worm character box. Play moves clockwise left for the next team's turn. Play continues with teams attempting activity cards and rolling if successful. Once a team has moved all around the track, they will enter Cranium Circle. When entering Cranium Circle, a team will go to the space of the color rolled. If purple was rolled when entering, the team chooses where to start. Each time a team successfully completes an activity card, the card is kept and the team moves clockwise to the next character name and waits until their next turn. Once a team gets all 4 character cards in Cranium Circle, the team moves to Cranium Central. On the team's next turn, the opposing teams get to choose the character card for the final activity. The first team to successfully complete the final activity wins the game. If a team successfully completes an activity card on their first attempt while on a purple planet Cranium space, the team moves into the inside fast track. If unsuccessful on the first attempt, the team will take the outside track once an activity is successfully completed. Teams must stop at all purple planet Cranium spaces, even if the team rolls a color beyond the planet Cranium spot. Some activity cards are Club Cranium cards. These cards are for all teams to participate. The winning team gets a bonus roll of the die. After the Club Cranium card is played, another card is drawn for the team whose turn it was when the Club Cranium card was drawn. If you are on a purple planet Cranium space and a Club Cranium card is drawn, it does not count as your first activity while on a planet Cranium card. You can still get on the fast track with your first regular turn. That wraps up How to Play Cranium. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and get more game tutorials by subscribing to our channel, Gather Together Games. Thanks for watching.